Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where we dive into everything related to tech, coding, and software development. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Today, we're going to talk about an awesome feature in Visual Studio Code, Snippets, and how you can easily install and use snippet extensions to speed up your coding workflow. Let's get started. So what exactly are snippets? Well, snippets in Visual Studio Code are templates of code that you can insert into your files with just a few keystrokes. They save time and effort, especially for repetitive tasks. Snippets can be predefined, or you can create your own. Let's start by installing a snippet extension in VS Code. You'll see an icon that looks like 4 squares stacked. That's the extensions icon. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus X on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus X on Mac to open it. Now, in the search bar at the top, type Snippets. You'll see a list of snippet extensions for different programming languages like JavaScript, Python, C++, and more such as JavaScript snippets. Click on the one you want and then click Install. It's that simple. Once installed, the snippets will be available immediately in your code editor. Here's a list of some common snippets available in the JavaScript ES6 Snippets extension. So there you have it. Snippets are a fantastic way to boost your productivity by automating repetitive code tasks in Visual Studio Code. Try installing some snippet extensions and start saving time on your next coding project. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below with any questions or thoughts. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to do so for more coding tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.